Good afternoon, YouTube. Sitting down here in Florida, just making a quick little video. Looking for a little information today. I'm looking to get more into video editing. A little bit better stuff than what I got is what I'm looking for. And right now, I don't have much. I'm pretty much just making freestyle videos on my iPhone. I bought me a GoPro, and I want to start doing some editing and a little bit better stuff with it to make some more interesting videos. If anybody has any easy video editing software that they would like to recommend to me, go ahead and send it to rburnett452@gmail.com, or you can just send me a note in the comments below. Once again, that will be rburnett452@gmail.com. I'm looking to get it into something easy, very simple, something a 10-year-old kid could do. Cheap. I don't have a lot of money to put into this, but I don't want some of this junk that's out there that is not going to do anything either. I'm looking at a video software called Pinnacle. It's Pinnacle Studio 20. eBay has that at a pretty reasonable price. Let me know what you think about that if anybody's used that. I've tried a couple of the free ones and I'm not very happy with them. If anybody has one that they use that they like, that's very easy to understand and has some good tutorials, please let me know. And once again, rburnett452@gmail.com. This is the way that I do pop-ups and stuff like that right now, because I don't have any good editing software to make a better video. So let me know what you have and why you like it, and we'll talk to y'all later. Thank you very much and have a good one.